Story time. Okay, so I'm gonna share one story with you guys. In our class 12, we had a poem recitation competition. Not only for class 12, from class 9 to 12, one group, and for primary students, there was one group, and for 6 to 8, one group. So, in that 9 to 12 group, from our house, because basically our students were divided into four houses, so in our house, there was no one to participate. And just because I have written one or two poem in my life, my friends asked me to participate. I am not interested in participating because most of the time, basically, people will reject. But then my friends supported me and they forced me to participate. I was like, okay, let's participate. What's there? Just a 1 or 2 hour practice, and just go and present it. So basically, that poem recitation competition was on the occasion of Hindi Pakhwada. So I choose the topic Meri Pyari Bhasha Hindi. And in the evening, on Friday evening, I wrote one poem on Meri Pyari Bhasha Hindi and I practiced it multiple times just to perform well on that day. Because I don't participate for winning the competition but just to participate. Okay, that okay, someone is there to participate from our house also, because we were not getting participants. So my friends asked me that you go and participate. Okay, so none of us was known that what will be the result, but then I wrote my poem, and after that in morning I was scared that what will happen. So I was like, okay, I just have to go and I just have to recite my poem. That's it. Then I went, okay. My juniors were there. Okay, my juniors from class 11th and 9th and I guess 10th also, one student was there. We went there and we were discussing about our poems, what topic we have chosen, and how to recite and all. I was sure that I am competing with my juniors, so I have to perform well. Because I was the senior most there, I was little bit scared that I have to perform well because my juniors are also there, and my primary juniors has to take inspiration from me, right? But then I went. I had stage fear. I went there. It was my turn. I introduced myself. I introduced why I wrote my poem on that topic, and then I started reciting it. In between, by mistake, I missed one line, and then I became nervous. Nervous in the sense, very much nervous. I was feeling that now I have to handle it somehow. But because I wrote that poem on my own, I was able to remake the lines, but still there was some mistakes in that line. Some one or two rhyming sentence was not perfect there, but then I just tried ki I have to just somehow make up that mistake. I did it, and then I came back. After that, my juniors were praising me that Didi, you did very well. But I was known that I did mistake, because that mistake was of mine, because I wrote the poem. So I was known that I did the mistake, and then I was feeling ki okay, let it be. Mistakes are done by humans only, no? I am also a human, so I did the mistake. But then I asked my juniors, did you found any mistake in my poem? Like it was something I did mistake there. She was like, no, Didi, it was all fine. Like I was like, okay, thank God I was able to make up my mistake. Okay, I was able to hide that I did some mistake there. So the interesting part, I was thinking I won't want the competition because I did mistake there. I was nervous little bit, and what, like okay, it was just a good competition with your juniors. But then at the time of result comes after 1 week. Okay, after 1 week they told the result, and in that result I got the third position. Unexpected third position. Like I was not expecting ki I will get any position in that competition. Okay, because I was nervous, I did mistake, I left all hopes. but I got the third position. That was amazing. And that was my first competition where I felt that you should participate, just not to win the competition, but to have an experience, to just compete your competitors and to improve yourself. When I went to the stage, I had stage fear, but after that, when I came back, I was thinking, ki, okay, I improved my stage fearing thing. Okay, I mean, I just not reduced my stage fear, but in front of all those people, when I tried to hide my mistake, that was a good quality of myself which came out of me that particular tense situation. So after all, I was happy. So what do you think? Why I told this story to you guys? Why I shared it? Yeah, a kind of. You are thinking right. Um I wanted to share my experience so that if anyone who is watching this video and have fear from participating can get inspired from my story. And other thing, in our MBBS college right now, we have a poster making competition on World Donors Day, which is on 14th June. So yes, I participated. From 10th of June, we have our CIs, and my friend came to me and said that you have to participate just, I guess, 3 days back. And I was like, oh wow, I have to participate. Okay, I will participate because you told me that there are competitions like poster making. So when we have to submit, she said before 10. I was like, oh, then I don't have much time, maybe 2 or 3 days, and I have to prepare for our biochemistry paper also. I thought, okay, let's try once to participate. And hence, I made this poster. It's really amazing, I know. I don't know how I made it so beautiful, but I just tried to participate in the poster making competition. And whatever the result will be, I'm happy with that. So after collecting all the details of competition, how to participate, what is the theme, I planned that what I have to make. And I know my idea was little childish kind of, but still I was happy that I'm participating, and then I made this poster.